Anja ka pong Jack Ratutatip may warrant of arrest sa Thailand at hindi na nga ba siya ang may-ari ng Miss Universe? Raul Rocha, under investigation sa drug, fuel trafficking, and guns. The latest CEO Mario Bucaro nag-resign. Ano na nga ba ang hinaharap ng Miss Universe organization ownerships? Hi guys, what's up? This is Kenyong and welcome back to my channel. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang iba't ibang very serious at very controversial na kaganapan sa mga owners and leaders ng Miss Universe organization. From ownership troubles, legal issues, hanggang sa biglang leadership changes. So kung mahilig ka sa pageants and current events, stay tuned. Let's start with Anja Kapong Jack Ratutatip.
Hello, Universe!
Ang Thai businesswoman na dating may-ari ng Miss Universe organization through her company JKN Global Group. Recently, lumabas ang reports na si Ann ay may legal and financial trouble sa Thailand. According to court documents, may arrest warrant daw na inilabas ang Thai court for alleged fraud involving an investor. Take note guys, alleged pa lang ito, hindi pa siya proven by the court, so ongoing pa yung case. However, naka-bail si Ann pero hindi siya umattend ng mga hearings. That's the reason why that the Thai court issued a warrant of arrest to arrest her. Bukod pa dyan, ang JKN Global Group ay kasalukuyang may serious debt crisis. May mga accusations din ng financial misrepresentation which triggered investigations by Thailand's SEC and DSI, parang FDA version nila. Dahil dito, may speculation online na baka umalis na raw ng Thailand at nasa Mexico daw habang unti-unting bumabagsak ang kanyang business empire. And you know what? Delisted na po siya sa parang SEC natin dito sa Pilipinas. So ibig sabihin, hindi na siya public company.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
Now let's move to Mexico owner, which is Raul Rocha Canto.
En los 73 años de antigüedad de la organización, siempre
Mexican media reported na si Raul Rocha Canto ang Mexican businessman na may-ari ng kalahati ng Miss Universe organization ay under investigation umano for drug, gun, and fuel trafficking between Guatemala and Mexico. Very serious allegations. Malaki ang saklaw ni Raul Rocha from industries, casinos, hanggang sa beauty pageants. That's the reason why na may issue sa Miss Universe 2025 kung saan ang father daw ni Fatima Bosch ay kanyang investor. Pero mariin niyang itinanggi ang mga paratang. Ang sabi niya, it is completely false that I have an arrest warrant. So again guys, investigation pa lang ito, walang conviction, and he denies all allegations. Pero syempre, kapag may ganitong balita, nadadamay ang reputasyon ng Miss Universe organization. Tama ba? And here's another twist. After the resignation of Ann Jacapong Jakratutatip noong June, Miss Universe CEO Mario Bucaro has stepped down. Isang buwan pa lamang matapos siyang ma-assign as Miss Universe CEO.
VP Mario. Hello.
Hello po.
VP Mario.
Jonathan, the council of
Yes, they are the famous
pageant media.
And according to Miss Universe pageant announcement noong December 12, sinabi nilang si Bucaro ay concluded his tenure as CEO. He assumed the role noong November matapos na mag-step down si Ann Jackrutatatip bilang CEO noong June. So yes guys, 3 leaders, multiple controversies in less than a year. And ano nga ba ang nag-aantay na kapalaran ng Miss Universe organization? So ang tanong ngayon, ano ang future ng Miss Universe organization with legal issues, financial instability, investigations, and leadership changes? Maraming fans ang nag-aalala kung paano maapektuhan ang credibility, operations, at legacy ng pageant. Miss Universe is more than just crowns and gowns. It's a global brand, and right now, the brand is clearly under pressure. So guys, That's the update on the Miss Universe organization ownership and leadership crisis. Reminder lang ha, let's stay informed, objective, and responsible sa pag-share ng information lalo na't ongoing pa ang mga investigation. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Do you think Miss Universe can recover from all of this? See you in my next vlog. Bye, Universe!